Okay, this ThinkPad, the Wi-Fi stopped working. This thing is pretty old, it's about 10 years old. So basically that little light would not come back on, no matter how many times I toggled the switch or reinstalled the drivers or did any of that really standard stuff that everyone says to do, but everyone does and doesn't work. So what you do is you get this stuff. You can buy this at auto parts stores and probably hardware stores. And what you do is you just spray in, like, just all over this switch on both sides and just flip it back and forth a bunch of times. And then your Wi-Fi should start working again. Apparently this is an actual hardware switch, whoops. This is an actual hardware switch. It's not a soft switch, so yeah, I don't know why it failed. It probably just got corroded, but that should fix it. I thought I was gonna have to rip this thing open and like solder the switch or something, or remove the switch and then solder the contacts, but nope, just a crusty switch. So yeah, for those of you who don't know, QD is like super useful. It's you would use it in the same way that you would use like WD-40 on a door or something, on a door hinge. It just gets rid of corrosion and helps promote contacts and all that stuff. And generally speaking, you don't even have to like rub it with anything. You can just spray a ton of it on something that is getting flaky and it should work. But yeah, if you're not into cars or fixing stuff, you might not know this exists, but it does. And it's like 10 bucks and it's really useful for all sorts of stuff. All right. Thought I'd just help someone out in the future with this problem. See you.